Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. Start by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by entering this key, click on Input key, type in all of those numbers, and when you finished, hit Receive. To scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close another. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!